Let me show you how to reset your Blink Doorbell 2K Plus camera. So to be able to reset this camera, you actually have to use a phone app, so the app where you currently have it paired. If you're wondering if there's any button, for example this one, to reset it, then no, there's no way how to reset it physically from the camera itself. So what you have to do, you simply open the Blink Monitor app and go over here, click on these three dots on this camera. Device settings, general settings, and simply click delete device. So it will delete it from your account and also do a full factory reset so it can be paired with another device. So what to do, for example, if you do not have access to the app anymore. So perhaps if you purchase these cameras from someone and it perhaps says it can't be registered because it's already linked to another account, or it simply needs to be reset. Then again, what you can do is you can probably get a hold of that person you purchased it from and simply ask them to go in the account here and do that for you. So it will remotely unlock it and you'll be able to pair it then again. If you can't get a hold of that person, if you also have the original proof of purchase of this camera, so when you purchased it from store essentially, you can also simply contact the Blink support as well. So I see on this camera, for example, you have this DCN number, so on the top. You can essentially take a picture of this up close or of this QR code, also this DCN number. And also, if you send them the proof of purchase, so like a receipt from the store where you purchased from, they should be also able to remotely reset and remove it basically from the system, so it's able to be paired again. But again, if you do not have the proof of purchase, unfortunately there's nothing that can be done and it's essentially a brick. So again, there is no way how to reset this camera, and that is done for security purpose. So if someone steals it from a wall, essentially they simply won't be able to pair it with another device. So it's solely done for security measures. Okay, good luck.